guys, today I'm gonna share with you 10 facts about me. So no further ado, let's start it. So number 1, let me introduce myself first. My name is Jessica Angeline Smith. Number 2, I'm from the Philippines. Yes, and now I'm living here in America. Number 3, I do love arts and craft. I'm not that so good at making arts and craft, but I love doing it and it's so relaxing, especially when you're doing a DIY project and when you're done, it's like, oh gosh, I did this. I made it. Number 4, I love potatoes. Potatoes, especially French fries. I cannot say no to potatoes. Number 5, I love video games, online games, mobile games, arcade games, any games. In short, I'm a gamer. Yeah. I also live stream my games in Facebook. So if you want to follow me, subscribe, follow me on my Facebook gaming page. Number 6, I love singing and dancing. I'm not professionally good at it. I'm a frustrated singer. Number 7, I just got married last year. Number 8, I took up nursing assistant course and culinary course. Number 9, my favorite Filipino food is blood stew. Yeah, it's so yummy, especially when it's spicy, because I love spicy too, spicy food. And last but not the least, it's about my age. I'm already 30 years old. Yes, I'm already 30. So that's it for my 10 facts about me. I hope you enjoy or know something new about me. And I just want to introduce myself to you for my subscribers and future subscribers, and hope you have fun. And if you love arts and craft too or games, let's be friends. And I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.